There is a new eye in the sky, the James Webb Space Telescope. It drifts silently in the cold dark, far from Earth, gazing not at our present, but at a time long since past. This golden honeycomb of mirrors is our messenger to the beginning of everything, sent to gather the universe's oldest stories. Its purpose, to see what has never been seen. For centuries we looked up and wondered, who are we? Where did we come from? We built telescopes on mountains, then sent them into orbit, each step revealing more of the cosmos. But Webb is different. It captures a kind of light invisible to our eyes, a faint ancient glow traveling billions of years. Imagine a ship built to sail the ocean of time. That's what this telescope is. Its golden mirror collects whispers from the past, tuned to hear the echoes of the first stars and galaxies. This journey isn't measured in miles, but in light years. Every image it sends rewrites the first chapter of the universe's story, a story that is also our own. Webb floats with quiet grace, a beacon of human ingenuity and curiosity. It represents the dreams of thousands, reaching back to the edge of time. As it gathers precious light, it invites us to reconsider our place in the cosmos. The greatest mysteries are often hidden in the faintest of lights. To truly see the universe, you must find a quiet place, far from Earth's noise and light. The James Webb Space Telescope traveled 1,000,000 miles to Lagrange Point 2, or L2, a place of profound stillness and cold. Here it keeps the sun, Earth, and moon all behind it, shielded from their glare. This location is the perfect vantage point for a sentinel looking deep into the past. On Earth, our view is blurred by atmosphere and city lights. Even in orbit, telescopes are bathed in reflected heat. But at L2, the universe opens up in its full, dark glory. Webb's journey was a delicate dance launched folded. It unfolded and aligned itself with flawless precision. Its massive sunshield unfurled mirrors aligned, all without hope of repair. Now it hangs in the permanent twilight of deep space, a silent partner to Earth. It is our eye and our proxy, sending back data from a time we can barely imagine. Connected by invisible threads, it embarks on a journey of discovery. Its solitary vigil lets us see the universe as it once was, in its fiery youth. The heart of Webb is its magnificent mirror, a 21-foot-wide mosaic of 18 hexagonal segments. Made from beryllium and coated with pure gold, these mirrors reflect infrared light, the key to Webb's power. The universe glows in infrared, but our eyes can't see it. The first stars and galaxies are so distant, their light is stretched into infrared by the expansion of space. Webb's golden mirrors are tuned to catch these ancient photons from the dawn of time. Each segment was polished to atomic smoothness, then aligned in space with microscopic precision. Tiny motors adjusted each mirror until they formed a perfect surface. Every image from Webb is the result of this incredible technology. It lets us peer through cosmic dust, revealing nurseries where stars and planets are born. Webb is a tool for seeing the unseen, a window into a hidden cosmos. Until now, this universe was completely beyond our reach. For Webb, its own heat is the enemy. It must operate at -380 degrees Fahrenheit, colder than any freezer on Earth. If it were warmer, its own infrared glow would blind its detectors. To achieve this, Webb relies on a 5-layer sunshield, each layer thinner than a human hair. The sunshield blocks heat from the sun, Earth, and moon, creating a stable, frigid environment. Without it, the mission would be impossible. Even a trace of heat would overwhelm the faint signals Webb seeks. This need for cold and darkness is a reminder of what it takes to explore the cosmos. To see the light of the past, we must escape the light of our present. Webb thrives in the cold and dark, sending back images of cosmic birth and creation. From this alien environment, it reveals the fiery beginnings of everything we see today. Every telescope is a time machine. Light travels at a finite speed, so we see objects as they were, not as they are. The farther we look, the further back in time we see. Webb is the most powerful time machine ever built, peering deeper and further than any before it. While Hubble saw teenage galaxies, Webb sees infant galaxies, light from just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. Imagine the universe's 13.8 billion years as a single calendar year. Webb lets us glimpse the first cosmic month. Dinosaurs appear in the last week of December, all human history in the final seconds. Webb gives us a direct view of the universe's nursery. This isn't science fiction, it's modern astronomy. By collecting ancient light, we see the universe as it was over 13.5 billion years ago. Webb's images are real snapshots of the past, not artists' impressions. Each faint smudge is a galaxy from the dawn of time. We can now witness the first steps of the cosmic story. What did the universe look like at the beginning? For ages, we could only guess. After the Big Bang, the universe was a dark soup of hydrogen and helium, no stars, no galaxies, no light. Gravity pulled this gas into clumps, igniting the first stars and flooding the cosmos with light. Webb is designed to answer fundamental questions about this era. How did the first stars form? Were they giants burning hot and bright? Its instruments analyze the earliest galaxies for chemical signatures of these first stars. Webb's images have already challenged our theories, revealing large, structured galaxies earlier than expected. It's as if we expected toddlers and found adults. This forces astronomers to rethink how galaxies form and evolve. Webb doesn't just confirm what we know. It opens new questions and shows the early universe was more dynamic than imagined. For the first time, we have a front-row seat to the birth of everything. Webb is changing not just what we know, but how we think about time. For most of history, time seemed like a constant arrow, but physics tells us it's flexible, stretched and squeezed by gravity and speed. Einstein showed time is woven with space into space-time, warped by massive objects. Webb's ability to see the distant past makes this idea tangible. Its discoveries suggest the early universe evolved faster than we thought, challenging our cosmic timeline. Are our models of the universe's expansion correct? Did physics operate differently in the beginning? These are questions about the very fabric of time. Looking at a Webb deep field image is a meditation on time. Thousands of galaxies at different points in history, all in one frame. Some are nearby, their light a few 100 million years old. Others are ancient, over 13 billion years away. It's a cross-section of cosmic history, a core sample of time itself. The past isn't gone. It's visible in the light of distant galaxies. Webb transforms time from an abstract concept into an explorable landscape. The telescope lets us witness the universe's history, not just imagine it. Time, through Webb's lens, becomes a place we can visit. The light Webb collects is more than a picture. It's data, a message from the past. Using spectrographs, scientists spread this ancient light into a spectrum, revealing chemical fingerprints. These lines tell us what elements were present in the first stars and galaxies. The Big Bang made only hydrogen, helium, and a trace of lithium. Everything else was forged in stars. Webb looks back to a time before most elements existed, tracing our cosmic ancestry. It also searches for life's building blocks by studying exoplanet atmospheres for water, methane, and carbon dioxide. Finding these molecules on a rocky planet would be monumental, hinting that life's conditions may be common. Webb's investigations connect the grandest scales of time with the most intimate questions of existence. The story of the universe, from first stars to planets, is one continuous narrative, and we are part of it. The search for the past is also a search for ourselves. Webb has opened a new window onto the cosmos, revealing a universe more magnificent and mysterious than we imagined. Each discovery answers questions and uncovers more mysteries. What lies beyond the farthest galaxy? What happened before the Big Bang? The universe will always have more secrets. Looking up gives us perspective. Webb's discoveries amplify our sense of wonder. We live on a tiny planet in a fleeting instant, but we've built a tool that lets us travel across billions of years. Webb is a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. We are not separate from the universe, we are a product of it, made of stardust. Studying the cosmos is studying our own origins, connecting us to a story nearly 14 billion years old. The journey continues. We keep asking questions. Webb is more than a machine. It's a symbol of our hope that the universe is knowable. The horizon is endless, but the journey fills us with awe and purpose.